Now let me carefully explain how to add clips to InShot on your phone, step by step, for a seamless experience. First, we enter this section, and here we carefully choose the formats available for use. It's not about the format, we simply have video written here. Now here you can carefully choose your clips for editing. You can either select clips from your gallery, or you can choose to include everything, just photos or only videos. The options are flexible, allowing for easy customization. Now if you find that you don't have any clips, no videos, or anything at all, don't worry. You can easily access the materials, and here you can select any item at all, whatever you truly like and want to use. Here, as you can see, you can also choose whatever you truly need or desire for your project. That's it. Basically, just click on what you've selected. For instance, this one right here, as you can see. Click on this check mark, and as you can see, it redirects you right here to this page. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.